Get those last three riders. But we've got Roxette and Isaac Sylvester and Radley Walmsley. Okay, second lot of 3, 4, 5 new sprockets. Oscar Sitfield, Ben Jones, Ryder Mitchell, Harley Bradshaw, Lizeo Roach. Okay, so make sure you stay over there, guys. All new sprockets, this is their last one, so it'll be sprocket of the week time. And there'll be some great little riders here. From the 46 and the 100, so the hot little field here, Oscar Sitfield and Ryder Mitchell doing a great job. And then it looks like the tennis rider, it looks like Lizeo Roach and Ben Jones from Hawkesbury. So doing a good job out in front. He's Harley Bradshaw. He's showing no signs of slowing down. He's out in front and having a bit of a look round. It's Oscar Sitfield in from Penrith there. But he's being challenged on the outside by Ryder Mitchell. Ryder Mitchell coming home hard. Sitfield having to dig deep. And it's going to be a pedal off to the line.